Juju Ekwensu romancing Mami Water is restless. Juju Ekwensu romancing Mami Water can never find peace in her life again. Peace has far gone tete from Juju Ekwensu. Even if they get market where they say peace, nobody go sell for her. Juju Ekwensu dip her hands into evil. Make una carry share, carry joko. Make una come hear wetin Juju Ekwensu tell person. Hi! The person wey he tell, na still go carry am, sell put for outside. My lovely fan, Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu is restless. Restless. This whole thing wey dey happen so, e dey chop am. E dey chop am for inside body. This woman is so frustrated. Hi. This woman is frustrated. Karma is really dealing with her. My lovely fans. I don't know why all these side chick, they cannot take half of what they dish out to the housewife. We all saw how Juju Ekwensu dealt with May Edochie on the social media. If to say that woman not be strong woman, now wetin person take dey kpai o? Wetin person take dey kpai? Do you know what it is to invest 26 years of your life into somebody and you never knew say na your ability now you dey invest in? You are planning with this man is planning with another woman. Wetin pain reach that thing, you know dey. She still collect the man, she not let the housewife get peace. If not be May Nation, Juju Ekwensu was ready to deal with May Edochie, pretending to be doing social media content. She really wanted to use it to finish that woman. But May Edochie is a strong woman. She survived it. Now Juju Ekwensu turned rich. She cannot collect what she dish out to May Edochie. They never even start. Juju Ekwensu don depress. Frustration don't come. With all this Lizzy Gold matter when it happen and everything, one of Juju Ekwensu's friend reached out to her. Said, Juju Ekwensu, at this point, let's go. Just let's go this man. The man saying na polygamous na be. He say he's a proud polygamy. Maybe you want to practice it. Since May Edochie no agree, you leave and make it practice her. Now Juju Ekwensu say for what? Juju Ekwensu say never. That she is the last bus stop. No other woman will step in. Una de yera, this is a side chick when he enter into another woman's home to destroy it. But today she's telling her friend that she's the last bus stop to Yo. Say Yo no go ever carry another woman. Come join her for the house. Now Juju Ekwensu friend tell her say, but you were ready to be a second wife to May Edochie. You were ready to join May Edochie to do second wife. Why the automatic change of mind? How come you can't change your mind automatically? What happened? Are you not ready to do the polygamy anymore? This Juju Ekwensu friend say Juju Ekwensu can't laugh. He can't tell that her friend say, wait until you marry. You don't even understand marriage. Hey, you don't even understand what they call polygamy and polygamy. Hey. Now he tell the friend say, the story long. Say for her, she will never allow you to bring another woman in. That Juju Ekwensu friend tell her say, you allow, you not allow. The yo way you see, last, 3 women go born for her. That man eye dey outside where. Somebody that have used style to come explain, give una say, he ready to give other girls belle. Anyone will open leg for you now, you go knock. Anyone will say get belle for her, you go accept the pikin just the way they accept you. Now Juju Ekwensu friend tell her say, instead of that shame and disgrace, why not just let him practice in polygamy? Make all of una live in peace. You wanted to live in peace with May Edochie in polygamy. Why can't you live in peace with another woman? Now Juju Ekwensu friend tell us, Juju Ekwensu, you are a very selfish woman. Very, very selfish. It be like saying go the distance herself from you. You where they proud say, oh, we can live in peace. You don't know what me Edochie they fear. You are a peaceful person. Now you now they thought say you don't want another woman. So you know say that thing pay me Edochie. You know when you enter and say pay me Edochie. Now Juju Ekwe is to tell her friend say, you won't understand. It is more than that. Now a friend say, tell me, if you don't tell me, how will I know? Tell me the reason why you don't want you let him go. Because every time you keep on disturbing this man, the man they tell people they go. Say you are a stress to his life. You will call. If you don't pick the next thing, you start hailing him. He's Semere Joffo, he's Zedike. He said he's tired. He said he's fed up. He don't want all these things anymore. Give him a breath. Give him a space. Let him live his life. Say because of you, many women don't want mingle. Say give him a space. He don't answer you. You don't born 3 children. He don't give you house to Abuja when you stay. You know the parents. You know they pay anything. Stay there and quiet. Let him continue his journey. Now Juju Ekwe friend tell Juju Ekwe say, now wait till you they talk they go. That man can set camera and pretend they love you, kiss you, do everything. But behind closed door, that man dey spoil your name. He say you are too stressful. You are too all over him. You don't have your life anymore. This man is mocking you for what you think you're doing to please him. Now Juju Ekwe say, it will continue like that. It will continue like that. So that all the women will be scared to come close to him. Juju Ekwe say, he will never accept any woman from you. He said she not go open her eyes, make it happen. She said it will never happen. She told her friend, do you want what happened to me Edochie's son? He told her friend, do you want what happened to me Edochie to happen to her? Now a friend tell Juju Ekwe say, that means you know that you offended me Edochie. Juju Ekwe say it's not that. He say it is deeper. His friend say, tell me, my lovely fans, make una carry Joko, make una come here. Now from here, now the video for starts. Before I give una the details, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. If you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, subscription is free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up for my video. God bless you. To my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all massively. Amen. My lovely fans, now hear the video for starts. Juju Ekwe is to tell a friend. He said, this thing I won't tell you. Don't tell anybody. Now the friend do no sort. He say, yeah. Now he tell the friend, say, do you want what happened to me Edochie's son, Kambele-Chukwu, to happen to her? Now the friend say, what has that got to do with polygamy? Juju Ekwe is to say everything. Polygamy is a battle line. No matter how you see the wives play and love each other, the day where one quarrel will come, now that day you go know say they never loved themselves. That it was all about competition. Juju Ekwe is to say, listen, before she gets here, now she know what she do to get here. To see another woman enter, she say no go work out. According to her, she said what happened to me Edochie's son, Kambele-Chukwu, can never happen to her son. She will not fold her hands and watch another woman come in to buy her son. Now Juju Ekwe is friend say, Juju Ekwe is you told us that Kambele-Chukwu buy because he read the book overnight. He can't go write exam. After he wrote that exam, he came back and he went to play ball. The boy was tired. He did not rest. He did not sleep all the night. And he still went to play ball. That's why he buy. Is that not what you told us? That what everybody is saying, they are just trying to destroy your name. Juju Ekwe is to say far from that. Very, very far from that. Juju Ekwe is to tell her friend, say, when you introduce her as his wife, you talk to me, Edochie, that he want to bring another wife, that he want to bring Juju Ekwensu into Ajamasho. He said, me, Edochie, say never. My home is my sacrilege. My home is like my altar. My home is like an altar where you don't bring any things into the house. He said, me, Edochie, say never. Say me, Edochie, say nobody they step feet into her house. Nobody will share her home with her. If you are so interested in her, both of you can go and live elsewhere. But her home, you know, go work. Juju Ekwensu said they thought that this woman, it was out of anger. Say later, this woman will change her mind. Juju Ekwensu said for where? She said for where? He said there is nothing you did not do. They beg and beg and beg. He said me Edochie say lie. Juju Ekwensu, according to her, she said me Edochie refused to let her in. He said meanwhile, me Edochie marriage still they go on. You and me Edochie marriage was going on. There was nothing like divorce. There was nothing like separation. He said inside, you was still begging me Edochie. She said, do you even know that you called her one day? Call and sit down. Tell her and say, at this point, say me she, Juju Ekwensu, render a public apology to me Edochie. Make it beg her. Now she say, why? He said, you tell her and say, if me Edochie abandon her, he own don't finish. He own don't finish. Me Edochie means everything to him. Me Edochie is his word. He and me Edochie have started from zero. They have built too many things for it to crush. Me Edochie is his backbone. He say you tell her, say, you need to come outside and beg her. So that people go put and join her. May they beg that woman. If that woman leave her, you yourself, you go feel her. Juju Ekwensu say, he don't understand what you they talk then. No. He can say, this man is still in love with his wife. This man won't do a koni through with her. She said she now got angry and said anything that will push me Edochie out of the marriage, she will do it. She look her. If she start drag this woman, not go walk. If she start fighting this woman, not go walk. She thought of something that would pain her to Amarubo. He said, now I hate his son. He said, now I carry Kambili go. He said, yes. He said, now I tell them, make them remove Kambili Chukwu. Make them remove her. If they remove Kambili Chukwu, me Edochie go run leave the marriage. She said she was desperate to chase me Edochie out of that marriage. After she finished with Kambili Chukwu, if me Edochie no go, she go enter the second one. By that time, she go know say things don't change. Now only she go run. But she said she did not even go into the second child. Only Kambili Chukwu will strike. Say me Edochie borrow leg. He run leave the marriage. He said it was after the RIP of Kambili Chukwu. Now me Edochie go sign in for divorce. Say the woman run. He said now she laugh. Say yes. Let her go. Let her go. If not, she will be an obstacle. She said she don't even know say now me Edochie might be the backbone true for the house. He said the moment me Edochie signed for divorce, he said he hit them. Aye. He said he not quit start. He said now when they start to they block everything. You not call the see money till they pay for all the things where they do again. He said now there now I can't remember when you tell her say if me Edochie leave her, he go crumble. She said she wanted to just chase me Edochie out of the marriage so that she can collect you. He said now I take go point for waiting pass am. Now he say me they take Kambili Chukwu. Make they fast forward anything with that boy. Go take go meet the ancestors. He said, and he do it, and me Edochie true leave the marriage. He said, so somebody like her, how will she want another woman into the life of you? What if they do to her what she did to me Edochie's son? What if the woman where they come as get that kind of evil plan also? What if the woman where you carry come get that evil plan also? That woman constantly buy her own children. The way she buy me Edochie, Juju Ekwesu say cannot be possible. 3 children that she gets. The 3 children that she protect. It is not all about you sleeping around. If you like me go sleep with 10 years, she go bear the pains. If the pain her, she go bear her. But bringing them to marry. Make they carry belle for her. She said that belle she go miscarriage her the way she do Chief Bernard. They go quite join the pregnancy. It will not work. She said because she know what it is to play polygamy. She said you know, he said me Edochie not even do polygamy. One of her son go down. Imagine, say polygamy play. He said, so polygamy is not a game for a child. She said that is what she will never accept. No woman. He said the day where they hear, said that woman must buy. He must buy by something. If you not buy by accident, you go buy sleeping awake. She will do it. She will go to any extent. Juju Ekwesu tell her friend, say, do you think any woman is ready to share a man with any woman? He said, you think they are coming, they'll say, I want to be a second wife. He said, no. He said, they are coming to push you out. They will claim the man, claim the house, claim everything. Chai, my people, wonder they say shall never end. Juju Ekwesu friend, go cash her. Go cash the girl. He said, Juju Ekwesu, all this because of what? Why will you go this far? Juju Ekwesu say, if you enter, the more they break, the more they get more evil plans. He said, polygamy na where they know they go. Once you enter, your mindset will change. He said, even when me and Edochie they do anyhow, they even wanted to buy the second one. He said, but he not going to buy anyone again. He said, not fit. Buy anyone. He can throw sickness, throw everything. Many things we do, we return back to our own children. He said, what did they do our children? And she use her hand cause her. And she. Now what did she wish other people children? Now he return to her. The arrow where she throw go. He said, now he return to her own children. He said, but she keep on saying that it's me Edochie that caused the problem when our children get. He said, not lie. She said, now she use her hand to cause her. Juju Ekwesu he did this wicked. When I tell her, I say this woman not go find peace. Juju Ekwesu will never find peace. And she will continue to be restless. This is what she confessed to her friend. Her friend can't carry go tell person. Person can't carry go tell person. Now it reach our table. The evil of Juju Ekwesu. And the worst part of it, she say all these things they disturb her. All these things they worry her for inside body. Say all these things they chop her. He said the marriage now she not get peace. The marriage she was desperate to enter and claim the man. She say if she tell you say she get peace, she lie. He say every single day a sacrifice must be offered for you not to leave her. For you to remain with her. There are sacrifices she need to do. Wonder shall never end. The evil of men. Now only God now save me Edochie. The greatest miracle that God did for me Edochie is taking her to walk away out of this demonic union of Juju Ekwesu and you. My lovely fans. Now so they take back Kambele desperation for Juju Ekwesu to enter into a frustrated marriage. A awful grown son went down. Why they not go see you want for inside? No be go carry Juju Ekwesu come. Now he go carry and come. Now that boy don't go. Is there anything that can revive Kambilichukwu? Nothing. So that's why all the days of Juju Ekwensu life, she will be restless. She will never find peace. Even if they say, they no go say for her. My lovely fans, leave your comment in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you.